Oh, dude.
And then like last night we were eating chili cheese dogs. And we were eating Velveeta cheese. And then we were also putting, like that was the base of our cheese.
Oh, wiper!
Yeah!
Wiper, dude.
Dude, first good fish of the day.
Oh, wiper. I wasn't expecting a wiper.
Nice.
Thanks, dude. Thanks for netting him for me, man.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
Like
wipey.
said, we gotta get all these carp out of here.
Oh, thank God.
Dude, hell yeah, good wiper.
I'm like reeling it in.
That's why we came here.
I thought it was a carp again.
So you're like, oh, fuck it. Dude, that's exactly why we came here, bro. Here, you want me? Oh, you got yours.
I got him. Just gotta watch my other rod
You
now.
want a pick?
Yes. Just a second. You just swipe to the right.
Oh, shit.
It's all good. Just push home, like, or the off button. And just swipe that way.
Nice, dude. Oh, you got your one hooked on him.
Yeah, he's got a hook in him. Hell yeah. It's not as big as the last one, dude, but...
Alright, tell me when you're ready.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Oh, no, hold it sideways.
Oh. That's cool.
Thanks,
That's
buddy.
stuff for wiper.
Yeah, he's still on there.
You do have a fish on.
Another carp. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, dude, thanks for netting that fish for me, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
I promise, you get a wiper, I'm all over it, dude.
Yeah.
The wind needs to stop.
Oh, radio.
I hate the wind, dude. Out of all the weather. Oh, shit. Out of all the weather.
Oh, he has wow, look at you slaying.
Yeah, you don't know.
Oh!
Double?
Oh, no! Dude, they're putting up some fight, dude. It's kind of fun.
Doubling. Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of some of these, dude. Another one?
It's gone to dude. Spring creek.
Fuck, for real. Drove an hour to catch carp.
Wait a minute. That one's getting hit too? Oh my god.
You good? Oh my god, doubles.
Fuck yeah.
Amazing.
That one is that good.
Is it? What is it?
Something good, huh? Damn, I'm already caught up to my TV, dude.
This place is crazy. Northern. Is it big? You need the net?
It's pretty decent size.
Was that out or?
That was just down. Oh, that's carp. Yeah, we caught a ton of carp.
You haven't caught any wiper?
We caught one.
Caught one.
Yeah. Put the wipers on.
Well, there's so many carp that size in this lake.
I know, it's crazy.
Insane. But the wiper aren't even hitting.
No.
Not like they were last time we were here.
Oh yeah, I've had days out here this year where I've been trolling around top 35.
Heck yeah.
Oh, dang.
Dude, it's pretty deep right here. That was lucky. This one feels kind of heavy. Yes, stupid mother effer. Oh well. Better than not catching, I tell you what, boy. Oh, getting bit, I think. I think so. I missed it though. Now I gotta pick him back up. Yeah! Well, God, it was at like 11 o'clock when we started slaying wiper last time. That was badass. Jackson asked Brad if he could go golfing with him today. And Brad's like, oh!
Is that what he was like?
No.
That was perfect timing though. Brad was like, oh!
Dude, this thing was pulling the rod. Like, it was about to go in. Damn, he's pissed off. Alright, I'll go dump these real quick. I can just take them all, dude. I don't know, dude. I'm just chilling. Every time I pick up my phone.
You're right.
You gotta look at your phone, man.
You're right. Alright, I'll do it, okay?
All you gotta do is not pay attention. You have one? There you go. What is it? Oh, it's a walleye.
Dude! Give me the net!
I think.
Give me the net!
Yeah, that's a walleye, dude.
Dude, I got a walleye! Caught me a wheelie! Yeah, first 50 species right there, baby. Oh,
yeah. Yeah, it's a walleye.
dude!
Good job, buddy.
Yeah! He's, oh, God!
Yeah, he'll fuck you. Be careful. Good job, dude. That's badass.
I don't even know how to hold it.
Sick, dude. It's got a weird color, but it's still pretty cool.
there.
Got him.
There it is. There's your carp.
Yep. Oh, it's a mirror.
Oh, mirror carp! Hell yeah!
First ever.
That's your first ever, huh?
Yeah.
Get over. Get over. Fuck yeah, dude, cool. New species.
Low species.
They're ugly bastards.
They look all diseased.
Carp in general were ugly, but god dang.
Oh, I had one. Whoa, that was quick.
Where the fuck are you fishing?
What do you think it is? Carp. Oh, am I getting hit over here too? Am I?
Pole's gone. Oh,
Fuck.
shit. I'm sorry.
That's my favorite pole too. I don't know. Both of these are my favorite. Can't really pick. Are you doing them outside? Oh shit.
Yeah. What do you think it is?
It's a carp. This one's fighting, dude. Yep. This is an eater right here.
Excited.
Got him. God dang. So many of them, dude. Got him. Oh. I know, that's how I felt with this morning with you, dude. What about me?
If only I would have caught whatever the hell that was.
I know, dude. I wish you would have.
Set for the day.
So the wind's picking up pretty good. Sorry if the audio is really bad because of the wind, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. Yeah, YUBA Lake with Tanner. I really appreciate everybody watching. Have a good one.